Hello everyone, Sejr here. I have received my Simon Says stamp card kit for the month. I believe this is September's. I kind of lost track of where I was last. I don't think I received an August one. I think I was busy, so I canceled that. So I believe this is September's. So I'm just going to open this up. And I'm going to be really quick about this because everyone has already pretty much shown what is out there. And then I'm just going to show you the content very quickly. Okay, so here's the inspiration sheet. So the kit for this month is Just Miss You. And I'll be using this just to keep track of what's in the kit. But it comes with some nice inspiration that you can try to make your cards with the content that's in the kit. Really nice stuff here. Of course, you do get your little candy. This time I have green. Oh, green apple. The paper that we get this month is one sheet of Nina White 110-pound cardstock. Sunshine. These are all 100. And this may be a dull pink. Looks like there's 2 of those. I'm not sure if that was an accident, but bonus for me. Peacock, really nice. And royal purple. Really, really nice colors. You do get 2 envelopes. This one is probably an A2 size, and this one is a little bit smaller. A nice craft color. You get, I think it's a sample because it's torn. So this is probably 12 sheets, double-sided, and it's American Craft Vicky Bouton's Let's Wander 6x8 paper pad. So you have some really, really nice designs here. That was really nice. I like the ferns. I love the colors. Very worn. I don't know. Something about them really beautiful. Some cutouts. So that's the pattern paper that you get. It's a good thickness. You get a package of American Craft Let's Wander mini cards and envelopes. So there is 3 of them here. And it looks like they come with a little note inside, so you probably can pull that out and write on it. So, very sweet. Nope, there's maybe a little more. 4, 5, 6, oh, 12. There's 12 envelopes. You get a bag of sequins, quite a few actually, and they come in some really beautiful colors. Some bright yellows, golds, blues, purples, pinks. They match the cardstock fairly well. So those are nice. You get a jewel picker, which is actually beneficial to me because I destroyed mine. I'm not sure how, but the red came off. So I'm glad I have a replacement. You get a die, so it says sending smiles. Oh, sorry, I had it backwards. Sending smiles, and then you have the outline with the bubble that goes around it, it looks like. So that's pretty cool. And then, of course, you get the stamp set. And this is a 6x8 clear stamp set. And this is what I love about Simon Says, is they have amazing stamps. And this one is packed full of sentiments. And that Sending Smiles is very similar to this one, but I don't think it's the same size. Oh, it is. So you can use that for the Sending Smiles there, that stamp. Lots of sentiments. I love the clouds and the little people hanging from strings. So you can have a lot of fun with that. So that is everything that you get in the September's Simon Says card kit, and the theme is Just Miss You. So I'm going to have some fun playing and make some cards, see what I can create, let my imagination flow, and until then, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.